In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize card details in Trello so you can organize your tasks exactly the way you want. Whether you're managing personal to-do lists, client projects, or a full team workflow, customizing your Trello card details makes a huge difference in productivity and clarity. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add, edit, and rearrange checklists, labels, due dates, members, and attachments inside any Trello card. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Trello and navigate to the board you're working on. Once you're inside your board, click on any card you want to customize. This will open the card details view in the center of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. On the right-hand side, you'll see the Actions sidebar. This sidebar is where you can add and manage all the important details for that specific card. Let's start with checklists. In the sidebar, click on Checklist. You'll be prompted to give your checklist a name, such as to-do steps or project tasks. After you click Add, the checklist will appear inside the card. Now you can start adding individual items. Type each task and press Enter to quickly create multiple checklist items. This is perfect for breaking down larger tasks into smaller, trackable steps. You can also drag and drop checklist items to rearrange them, and as you complete them, just click the checkbox to track progress automatically. Next, let's add labels. In the sidebar, click on Labels. Here you can choose from existing labels on your board or create a new one. Labels are useful for categorizing tasks by priority, department, status, or any system you prefer. You can edit label names and colors to match your workflow. Once selected, the label will appear on the front of the card, making it easy to scan your board visually. Now, let's set a due date. Click on Due Date in the sidebar. Choose the date and time for when the task needs to be completed. You can also set reminders, so Trello notifies you before the deadline. After saving, the due date will appear on the card, and Trello will automatically mark it as complete once you finish the task and check it off. This is extremely helpful for staying on schedule. If you're working with a team, assigning members is essential. Click on Members in the sidebar. You'll see a list of people who have access to the board. Simply click on a name to assign them to the card. Their profile icon will appear on the card front, so everyone knows who is responsible for that task. You can assign multiple members if needed. Now let's talk about attachments. In the sidebar, click on Attachment. You can upload files directly from your computer, attach files from Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, or even link to external websites. Attachments are displayed inside the card and can be opened by anyone with access. This keeps all related documents and resources in one organized place. As you add all these elements, you can rearrange them inside the card by dragging sections up or down. This allows you to prioritize what information appears first, whether that's your checklist, attachments, or activity feed. Customizing the layout helps you focus on what matters most. And you can edit any detail at any time. Click directly on the card title to rename it. Click inside the description area to add detailed notes, or modify existing checklists, labels, and dates whenever your project changes. Trello is flexible, so your cards can evolve as your tasks progress. And that's it. That's how you customize card details in Trello using the sidebar to add, edit, and rearrange checklists, labels, due dates, members, and attachments. Once you start using these features consistently, your boards will become much more organized and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Trello and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.